Now, we're going to unbox the SPAC pneumatic fittings. As you can see, the SPAC SmarT Lock is already installed in the fitting out of the box. Now we'll see how to engage a tube into a connector. First, we make sure that the tube is absolutely cut straight. For this, we'll use a tube cutter and cut the tube like this. Now we can see that the tube is cut absolutely straight. Now, we'll see how to install the tubing into a one-touch connector. We used this connector with the SmarT Lock installed, so we simply push the tubing within the fitting and it is totally intact. Now, we'll see how to remove the tubing from the fitting. First, we'll remove the SmarT Lock. Next, we press the sleeve and pull the tube out gently. And now we place the SmarT Lock back into the fitting. Thank you.